Bison Band. Today we're going to be naming notes on the bass staff, and we're actually going to be expanding above and below that by an extra note. We're in level 9 right now, and for this we're going to go all the way from a low E that's going to be below your music staff up to a high C that is above your music staff. And I put that into the instructions down here to catch your attention. You have no time limit today. We're completing at least 200. You have 10 errors allowed and 5 hints to use today. Let's do some of these together so I can show you what those new notes look like. Okay, as we are building these, remember that you have a word for spaces or a saying. All cows eat grass, and that takes us up to G. I love using the keyboard for this. G, aha, and here's one of our new notes. Now, as you are going through this, remember that you have a saying for the lines that live inside your music staff. Great bison do fun activities, which takes us up to A. Moving up one more note, we added in B last time, which is that note that would be here in this little space where my cursor is. And then when you go up one more and you add that line through it, this is our new C up here. So it lives above the music staff. There's a gap between the staff and the note. There's a line going through it. That is our C. And then there's our G, B, E, C. One of our new B's right there. We were just talking about that. A, D, there's an F, another F, and A. Here's the note that I was looking for. I wanted to show you one of these too. This is going to be our low E, and we can tell it's our low E because there's a gap here. There's a line going through it, just like that. Those are the two ways that you can tell that this is going to be our low E, and this is our other new note for this identification. And again, I'm going to use my keyboard here, pressing E to identify that note. Remember that if you're looking at one of these new notes and you can't remember which one it is, when you press the hint button, it does extend the hints all the way up above and below your music staff. You are going to have to look between the notes here to figure out the letter. So for example, this is our new C, and it lives here between B and D. So you have to remember that in our alphabet, letter C happens between B and D because these are actually labeling the spaces rather than notes that are on the lines. So good luck. If you have a question beyond what you saw in this video today, remember that you can visit my office hours or you can use the ToneSavvy support request form to ask a question. All the work that you do, make sure that you're submitting it using your Submit Best Effort button or your Submit Results button.